It's so yummy inside, and then the lemon is just out of this world incredible.
Hey there, I'm Christine Avanti Fisher and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a recipe from this book. It's my lemony blueberry muffin recipe. It's so good, very good for you, and super easy to make. And it's definitely gonna be a crowd pleaser, no doubt about it. First things first, I'm gonna put together the dry ingredients. Here we go. We've got the flour, baking powder, and I like to use Celtic sea salt instead of regular table salt. It's just loaded with super amazing nutrition. Okay, so we'll just give this a little mix. In baking, it is quite important to always mix your dry ingredients separate from your wet ingredients. You don't wanna kind of throw them all together in one swoop. It doesn't really work that great. Okay, so then we're gonna go sugar. I've got the buttermilk and the coconut oil. I like to put in applesauce because it just makes it a little bit more moist and it adds a little bit more sweet. Here's my blueberries. I'm gonna take a little bit of the dry ingredients and I'm just gonna sprinkle it on the blueberries. Okay, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna toss the blueberries. This is what helps your blueberries disperse evenly throughout your muffin. So now we've got dry ingredients, wet ingredients. I better do this fast because the coconut oil is gonna get mad at me and start to solidify. So put this in here, the egg, the coconut oil, the sugar, the buttermilk. Oh yeah, yummy. Okay, just mix the two together. That's so nice, isn't it? A light stir. You don't go crazy. If you overmix when you're baking, you will not be a happy camper in the end. Do half of the blueberries first, and then I'll do the other half. So I just fold it in, nice and easy. Oh, this looks so yummy. Okay. And then the other half. Put the dry ingredients there. Okay. Oh, it smells so, so good. When you're doing a little zesting of any citrus, try to be really careful to not go into the white part, okay? Now, although I'm using the baking cups, I'm going to quickly just put a little bit of coconut oil spray into each baking cup, just so we can get the muffins out super easily when we go to eat them, okay? So I'm just gonna do a little spray. I know this is probably overkill. You don't have to do this. This is just me. So now I'm gonna make my streusel topping. Super easy. We've got flour, sugar, cinnamon, oh yum. Love that. And you could do butter. I prefer using vegetable spread. Just a little bit, add a little health benefit. I'm not saying butter's bad for you. It's really not. Nothing's bad if it's in moderation, okay? And I actually put this in the freezer because you want this hard when you go to mix it into your streusel. And you could use a pastry blender. I've done that. It just got messy. So I'm just gonna do the old-fashioned way, just chopping up the butter with the two knives here. You can also just crumple it up with your fingers if you want to. Just gonna put that in. All right, and we even have extra. Okay, so I've got extra. Where should I put it? Which one looks like a small? All right, this looks like a little baby one. This is gonna be amazing. Yummy. Patting it down to make it look pretty. Here we go. So you're gonna bake them for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. What I would recommend is checking them after 15 minutes. So I'm gonna set my timer. I'm gonna set it for 18 minutes. I'll check it at 15 minutes, but I like to set it for 18 minutes just so I can decide, do I want them to keep cooking or do they seem right? So that's what I'm gonna do. But typically it's about 20 minutes.
Wow, they are so pretty. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a toothpick and just check. Yeah, no, they are done. This is awesome. I'm so happy. We've got beautiful blueberry muffins. So I'm gonna let them cool for about 10 minutes And then we'll take them out of the muffin tin and serve them. Yay! It's so yummy inside, and then the lemon is just out of this world incredible. Oh my God. The blueberries are like bursting with blueberry juice in my mouth. It's amazing. These are a definite crowd pleaser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again really soon. Oh.